Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your site. Make a backup and confirm WordPress and PHP versions match plugin requirements. Next, install a reliable FAQ plugin or block. This gives you structure and schema markup automatically. Once activated, open the plugin settings to select display style, accordion, list, or grid, and enable SEO or schema options if available. This matters because structured data improves search visibility and usability, so set defaults now before creating entries to avoid rework later. You now create your FAQ content. Add concise questions as titles and craft clear, helpful answers that include examples or steps. Once done, organize items into categories or reorder them so users find common issues first. Make sure to fill any schema fields the plugin provides. This lets search engines show rich snippets. Also enable accessibility options like keyboard navigation and ensure collapse behavior works on mobile. These details improve both user experience and the chance of appearing in search results. You finish by embedding the FAQ block or shortcode onto your chosen page and publishing. Then test across devices to confirm layout and interaction remain intact. After publishing, run a rich results or structured data test to verify schema visibility, and use browser dev tools to check load times. If something goes wrong, clear any caching, disable recently added plugins to isolate conflicts, and switch temporarily to a default theme to find the issue. This troubleshooting path usually reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.